Hi guys, I am so excited. We finally get to start geology, the study of rocks and minerals and the Earth's crust. So, all the way down to the core too, but not the living stuff, not the atmosphere. So we call that the lithosphere, which is the rock sphere. So all the stuff that's made of rocks and minerals. So I've been waiting 10 years to teach this in New Brunswick. This is what I'm an expert in. I've been trying to smush it in over the past couple of years because it is my jam. So I can totally geek out. I can totally help you with anything that you need. I have lots and lots of easy to read resources. All right, I used to teach this on the high school level. All right, so the geology is the study of the earth. Geo meaning earth. All right, so I broke this up. So this is part one. It's all about the rock cycle. This part, I just want some ideas from you. What do you think about this picture? What do you already notice? So what do you see? What do you notice about the colors in the rock? What do you think these colors represent? How do you think these formed, or how do you think this happened? And I have some personal photos that are like this. This is not my own photo. The one on the last slide, this one, that one I took. All right, and that's in one of the national parks that you have your virtual tour in this week. So you are going to do the rock cycle or use the rock cycle gizmo to answer all your questions in this section. You're going to log into Gizmos. If you haven't before, these are our class codes, and you're going to click on Launch Gizmo when you see the rock cycle, and it might look like this as well. All right, so you're going to launch it. You're going to answer some questions. So the rock cycle is magma hot. Over millions of years, rocks are broken down and transformed into other rocks. Rock Cycle Gizmo illustrates the different transformations that make up the rock cycle. On each of the next slides, you will explore and explain 3 different rock types. All right, so you're going to look at the picture and you're going to answer these questions. I did include some of my own personal photos, which I already mentioned, but this is Hawaii. This is Diamond Head. This was a volcano that is now dormant. It is asleep. I hiked all the way to the tippy top. In fact, I didn't include this, but we used to have people stationed at the top to look for planes coming from Japan. So this is near Pearl Harbor. So including some social studies. Go Miss Falk. All right. Go me. This is my first shave ice in the middle. This is the wall of the volcano. I'm now inside the volcano, and this is the tunnel we had to walk through to get there. All right, and apparently you could take a bus or a car too. You could see them parked behind me. So this is a parking lot in the middle of a volcano, and then we hiked a trail to get to the very top, right, to get to this ridge, which was pretty cool. All right, and you can read my comments later. Oh, and if you have any of your own photos of cool rock features that you've seen around the world, maybe you've been in a cave, maybe you've been to a waterfall, go ahead, add a slide, show me. I'd love to see it. That'd be awesome. All right, so you're going to answer the next 2 slides using the gizmo. All right. And then I have a cheesy part, so you literally have to move the queso to whichever cheesy video you watched. They'll get stuck in your head. I have one that's been stuck in my head for a long time. I haven't taught this. I guess I used to teach this in 6th grade because I definitely showed one of these videos. And it gets stuck in your head, especially after you show it 6 times. All right. Good thing you don't have to watch it 6 times. Steps to the rock cycle. So you're going to follow these steps to form one rock cycle. I'm going to skip through a little quicker than most. All right, so over here, you're going to drag the pieces of the rock cycle into the rock cycle that you just completed following these steps. All right, it says click here, click there. And this might be one of those times where you do a split screen. So I like to do this. I grab, this is rock cycle or is this carbon cycle? So this is 6th grade one, but it doesn't matter. So I like to have the gizmo open on one side and the slides on the other so I can answer and look at it at the same time. Maybe that will be helpful. I hope so. Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, this is where we were. So you're going to follow these steps. Click where it says. You're going to answer these questions. So how hot is magma? And you're going to go through these questions and you'll get through the whole entire rock cycle. Now, just like the water cycle, it doesn't always happen in the same order. So we want you to form 2 of your own rock cycles, all right, and do 2 screenshots and put them in here, all right. So yeah, so they can start at any point, but they need to end at the same point. All right, and if you're done with that, great job, yay. If you need help, I'm here. I did split this into 2 parts, so if you're ready for part 2, I might consider posting it before the end of the week, so that we can move on to bigger and better things like earthquakes and plate tectonics and geohistory. So talk to you soon. Yay. Later. Bye.